In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get from this to this. So let's get started. So here's what you're going to need: equal parts white vinegar and water, soda crystals or baking soda. I prefer to use soda crystals because it works better than baking soda. Do you agree? Let me know in the comments section below. And rubber gloves and a dish sponge. As you can see, I completely burnt this saucepan from completely ball out to the point that all of the 3 smoke detectors in my apartment went off. We're going to pour in equal parts of vinegar and water into the saucepan. I'm pouring in 1 litre of water, 1 litre of vinegar. Then turn on your gas or your electric hob and place a lid on the pan and leave to boil for the next 15 to 20 minutes. Now, as you can see, a small amount of burnt residue is coming to the surface, and this is 7 minutes in. Now, if you can, with no effort, scrape the bottom of your pan to reveal the base of your pan, then you're set for step number 2. Now, I do advise you do the next step by the sink, or you may have a bigger cleanup job on your hands. As you can see, vinegar, soda crystals and baking soda can produce a chemical reaction. Once the reaction has stopped, place your lid on the pan and leave for a further 15 minutes. Now, if you have a dishwasher, you should be able to place this in the dishwasher or give it a wash by hand, but it's going to be taking no effort whatsoever to wash this. All the hard work has been done. Give this video a like by hitting that thumbs up button. As you can see, this is the easiest way to clean a burnt saucepan